Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious watermelon milkshake. First, ensure you have fresh watermelon, milk, and your favorite vanilla ice cream ready. Next, prepare your watermelon by dicing it into manageable pieces, removing any seeds. Then combine all ingredients in a blender. Finally, blend until smooth and creamy, then serve immediately for a refreshing treat. To begin, choose a ripe watermelon for the best flavor. Carefully cut it into 1-inch cubes, making sure to remove all the seeds. Next, measure out 1 cup of cold milk and 2 generous scoops of your favorite vanilla ice cream. If you like your milkshake extra frosty, have a few ice cubes ready to add to the mix. Now it's time to blend. Carefully place all your watermelon cubes into a sturdy, high-speed blender. Pour in the 1 cup of milk and add the 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Secure the lid and blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is perfectly smooth. If it's too thick, add a splash more milk. For a thinner consistency, add a few more ice cubes. Once your watermelon milkshake is perfectly blended, pour it into a tall, chilled glass. For a touch of elegance, you can garnish it with a small watermelon wedge on the rim or a fresh sprig of mint. This refreshing drink is best enjoyed immediately, so grab a wide straw and savor every cool, creamy sip. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.